You can earn money for free on the TimeBucks website by completing simple surveys and tasks, as well as by playing games. Not only that, anyone around the world can use this website to make money. You might wonder if this website is legitimate. To clarify, we can check the ratings and reviews for TimeBucks on Trustpilot. When you look, you'll see that many people have left reviews and given it a 4.4 rating, indicating it's a good website. Now, let's see how to create an account and start earning on this website. First, click the direct link in the description to go to the TimeBucks website, enter your email ID password, and sign up. Let's see how to make money on this website. There's an Earn tab on the site. When you click on it, you'll many options to earn money. I'll explain what each tab contains and how to earn from them. In the Content tab, you have daily 100+ clicks for you to earn from them. There is an Engaged Hits tab for you to earn money without any click, just by watching the videos playing by the Engaged Hits extension. Next, you will see the Task tab here to earn money by completing different tasks. They will make you earn more than $20 by doing simple tasks. You will get 12 paid push clicks per day, said every 2 hours. You will get paid 0.5% of yesterday's earnings for every click. Now let's look at the Survey tab. Here you will find survey offers by clicking on one and completing the surveys and get a chance to win $500 weekly. Choose from any of the gaming partners below and try their large selection of games. There is a weekly ladder competition specific for games only. There is a prize pool of $2,000 and the top gaming earner will win $500. If someone signs up using your referral link and earns money, you will receive 10% of whatever they earn from TimeBucks. Payments are sent weekly every Thursday, automatically, if you reach the $5 minimum payout by the cutoff date, which is Tuesday. You can see a countdown timer for when invoices and payments are generated. Select the method you want to withdraw with and check if your payment address is correct.